Makluba chicken.
Let's melt butter, add onion, add ginger and garlic paste, add chicken. Let's add spices, curry powder, turmeric, coriander, black pepper, chicken masala, Maggi masala, and salt. Let's mix it. Then let's add our tomato and green pepper. Let's mix again. And let's add tomato paste. Let's mix. Now let's close. And let's cook for 15 minutes. While waiting for our chicken to finish, let's cook our rice. Add butter, lemon, and salt. Then hot water. Chicken is finished. Ta-da! Now let's add potato. Then sweet potato. Let's add our rice. Now let's close again. And cook it 15 minutes. And then let's open. Ta-da! Let's do this if we can. Wow! Yum yum. And that's it. Thank you for watching.